Once again this afternoon, I know, well, a lot of us are probably ready to have the rain move out, but we've got several rounds of showers and storms on the way here from now through the weekend. Live view outside our studio. Despite a few added clouds around this morning, I've got a feeling that's just going to add some color to the sky. Should be a gorgeous sunrise. Get those cameras ready for that here this morning. It is a little cool outside, though, to start, and we'll be tracking some showers and storms moving in by this afternoon. In fact, even in some of our north and western counties, we could see that late this morning, primarily during the heat of the afternoon, and some of these storms today actually could be on the strong side. Once again, nothing like what we saw earlier this week, but a few stronger storms with some hail and winds a possibility. Another dry day Friday, but the weekend looking wet, especially as we head towards Mother's Day on Sunday. Quite a bit of wet weather in our forecast, some showers, some thunderstorms, potentially even some heavy rain. But right now, temperatures back into the upper 40s. Look to our east, Evansville right now at 45, and then you get closer to Louisville, Kentucky, and they've got some 30s out across parts of southern Indiana and central Kentucky. So we're thankful for some of the clouds around this morning. It is helping keep our temperatures up just a bit. Upper 40s from Mount Vernon to Marion right now, 48 in Mount Vernon, 47 in Marion. We've got 50 in Paducah, 50 right now in Sikeston and Poplar Bluff. And clouds continue to move in from the west. Showers and storms expected to develop just ahead of this cold front that's draped from about west central Illinois back through central Missouri and southern Kansas. Once those showers and storms begin to develop, they will then shift into our region towards the early part of the afternoon. This is about 1 p.m. Showers and storms moving in here from the north and west, starting to make their way towards Mount Vernon and Murfreesboro, and then back into southeast Missouri, including Greenville there. And then they continue to spread to the south and east during the heat of the day. And notice the arc on some of these storms. They're likely going to be quite strong. Some hail, dime to nickel size possible, because freezing levels are pretty low in the atmosphere. And of course, anytime we're talking about hail, that cooler air then helps push down to the ground level, and that's why we are a little concerned with some stronger winds from some of these storms as well. So from about 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. we could see a few stronger storms. By sunset this evening, storms start to move out of here. Things start to quiet down into the overnight hours, but we have seen that risk level go up just a bit from the Storm Prediction Center. As far as timing, again, some of our north and western counties, it could be late this morning. For much of our region, this is going to be the early part of the afternoon before it works its way in mid-afternoon into parts of western Kentucky. But Storm Prediction Center highlighting now us in a level 1. Main threats today, once again, going to be some small hail and some strong winds with a few of these storms. Tornado threat today very, very low. In addition to that, we could see some heavier burst of rain in some of the stronger storms. Some folks could pick up about a ½ an inch. Most areas probably going to pick up less than that. Again, that's if you get caught in one of the strongest storms this afternoon. Of course, you can track those storms using the interactive radar and the Storm Track 3 app. Any warnings that are issued also get sent right there to your smartphone. Let's jump into the weekend. Another storm system going to track out of the plains and into the mid-Mississippi Valley. It's going to spread a lot of rain our way, especially as we head into the second half of the weekend. So enjoy the dry day there on Friday, one of the pick days actually in the entire forecast. Close to 70 Friday afternoon with some sunshine. Saturday, showers really during the afternoon and in evening hours. Sunday, looking like a washout for Mother's Day here, and then we cool down into the early part of next week, followed by another chance for some showers towards Wednesday and Thursday. And let me tell you guys, this is some pretty cool weather here as we start to transition from early May to mid-May as well.
Boy, the pressure is on. Mother's Day's on the way. I need some tips for what to get my wife this year.
Take your wife out on maybe Saturday morning or Monday. That's probably one of the tips I'd give you.
She does like jewelry.
You can never go wrong with jewelry.
I'm looking at the budget side of it though here. So.